All right, so yesterday we talked about how there are different ways to think about scales. This is the scale degree method. So um, each degree of the scale, each part of the scale gets a number, much like a thermometer has degrees of Fahrenheit, Celsius, centigrade, whatever you want to use. Um, each scale gets its own degree. Or sorry, each member of the scale gets its own degree. So do is 1, re is 2, mi is 3, fa is 4, sol is 5, la is 6, and ti is 7. And then the next do is still 1 because they're the same thing, but an octave apart. So if I were to have an audition track that says, sing a major scale starting on this pitch, that's a little high for Mr. Fulton this morning. Do, 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 do. There we go. So sing a major scale starting on this pitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm singing now not solfege, but my scale degrees. Then the minor scales, and these scales aren't all the scales you could possibly have in an audition. These are just the major and minor ones. But the natural minor has the most flats. You have flat 3, flat 6, flat 7, which are notated by these underlines, right? So sing a natural minor scale starting on this pitch, right? So 1, 2, flat 3, 4, 5, flat 6, flat 7, 1, flat 7, flat 6, 5, 4, flat 3, 2, 1, right? So that you, in your head, remember those sounds, right? Harmonic minor. Okay, so in harmonic minor world, we don't have flat 7. We just have flat 6. So sing a harmonic minor scale starting on this pitch. 1, 2, flat 3, 4, 5, flat 6, 7, 1, 7, flat 6, 5, 4, flat 3, 2, 1. Should have warmed up this morning. Anyway, so da 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 da. Wow. I'll warm up before I get to choir today, I promise. All right, so then melodic minor, only flat 3 up, and this in natural minor down. So it's different on the way up than it is on the way down. On the way up, it's basically a major scale with a flat 3. So sing a natural minor scale on this pitch. Da, 1, 2, flat 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. But then on the way back down, it's just natural minor. 1, flat 7, flat 6, 5, 4, flat 3, 2, 1. So on the way up, it sounds different. So those are some of the ways you can think about those scale degrees without having to think about, am I singing may or fa or fi? What am I doing, right? Because there are different ways that you can think of even minor scales. You can think of them in la mode, or you can think of them in do mode. So this takes all the mystery out of that and just gets you thinking about, if I have a major scale, do do do, sorry, do 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 do, what on the major scale changes to make it natural minor, harmonic minor, or melodic minor? Now you could absolutely still sing do re mi fa sol la ti do ti la sol fa mi re do, totally fine. You can also still sing do ti la ti do re mi fa sol la so fa mi re do ti la, and you can still sing all of the harmonic and melodic minor scales the same way. This is just another tool to fit into your toolbox so that you can understand how these scales are put together. And it's all based on the scale degrees of the major scale. So if I just alter different parts of the major scale, I'm getting different sounds. Now you'll notice that there are 2 very important scales missing from the scale sheet, and that would be the chromatic scale and then also the blues scale, which we'll talk about in a different video, because I want you to focus a lot on which scales get which flats and accidentals. So that is the the scale lesson for today, please be sure to fill out the Google form that is attached with this video.